Today was a big day for Marshall County and Snead State Community College. Governor Ivey and community leaders joined together to break ground on a new workforce skills training center in Guntersville. Our Sedona Meadows was there and shares why the community is excited for this new development.
3 years in the making, Snead State Community College is welcoming a 45,000 square foot workforce skills training center right next to Marshall Technical School in Guntersville.
We've been assembling a plan to make this dream a reality for our community. Our dream of building a career tech education workforce development center, which is much needed in Marshall County and in the surrounding areas.
Governor Ivey says in her speech, this $30 million facility was funded through a collective effort both on the state and federal level, where she authorized $4 million in PSC bond money for construction. And U.S. Congressman Robert Adderholt secured $1 million from legislation for equipment.
This facility will begin training Alabamians to excel in in-demand jobs such as welding, HVAC, machine tool technology, and advanced manufacturing.
One student graduating from Snead State's Industrial Systems Technology program says he wasn't planning on going to college, but fell in love with the classes and their paid apprenticeship program.
I had the opportunity to go work at Atrion Medical Products in Arab, Alabama. After working there for a while, Atrion has worked tirelessly hard for me, and they've been able to work my school schedule, my life schedule, my work schedule.
State leaders hope workforce programs like this one will lower the state's unemployment rate, providing more opportunities to residents.
We are changing this area because we are providing the skills training that is needed, but it's not just here. This is the first of several workforce training centers, skilled training centers that we have on the board planning. And we're going to be moving across the